New research shows a drug marketed for type 2 diabetes is effective in treating people who struggle with obesity. Trial participants receiving the medication saw an average weight loss of 15%.
NewsNation's Ashley Kentz has a closer look at what the results could mean for patients and the obesity epidemic going forward.
Yeah, this has gotten a lot of attention online today, this new clinical trial that was just published in the New England Journal of Medicine. A lot of people are talking about it, especially the lead researcher who is calling semaglutide a game changer. Researchers at Northwestern University tested the medication by Novo Nordisk in a higher dose, and for more than a year, nearly 2,000 adults with obesity injected themselves weekly or received a placebo. Those who got semaglutide lost 15% of their body weight, while a third lost more than 20% of their starting weight. That's the equivalent of about 45 pounds. According to Dr. Robert Kushner, this is the first time a drug has achieved those results, similar to what a patient would lose after bariatric surgery years out.
I don't use the word game changer lightly. I've been involved in this space for 40 years. It is the first time that we are seeing a medication to help people who are struggling with their weight that is 1.5 to 2 times more effective than the drugs we currently have on the market. We were incredibly surprised when we saw the results come out.
And that was Dr. Robert Kushner, an obesity researcher at Northwestern University. You heard him say he really doesn't use that word lightly. And something else they noticed in this study was the different medical problems that it helped with as well. Patients saw those things like diabetes, joint pain, reflux disease, and hypertension go down. Also, the doctor points out that from a disease standpoint, anti-obesity medications are meant to be taken long term. But scientists are now studying how patients would go off of the drug. The drug's maker, Novo Nordisk, submitted rapid review to the FDA in December. The next hurdle would be if insurers would approve it, because right now many companies exclude drugs used for the treatment of obesity.